Okay, up for sale is a Washtech Undercounter dish glass glass and drink washer. Part number UDWUD 0030. Serial number 240 volt 15 amp. And as you see, it's quite clean. Let's have a look over it. Alright, so needs a little bit of clean around the top, but generally speaking, it's fairly clean. The door, all stainless steel construction, used for cafes, restaurants, anywhere that's got a lot of glasses that need washing. This is a fast dishwasher, so that's why it's 15 amp. Okay, and it came with a couple of extra parts. I'm pretty sure that goes in the drain down there, like so, like that, and I'll guess something like that. Not too sure, someone will know, but everything's there and everything's complete. Okay. I'll put that in for now. I'm going to do a test run to actually take this out so we can have a look and see what's going on in here. We can get it out. Come on. It's harder. Alright. Okay, there's our tray. So it's pretty clean down there. Don't know what that's doing there. Okay, so where does this fit? I believe it fits in like that. Okay, that's in. Go like that. So nothing gets into the motor. I guess that goes up like that. That'll be the spout. Tray goes in, the door gets closed. All the specs are online for size-wise. Looking over the back. So I've just got it wired in at the moment. I've got it connected to the power, and I've got the soap and the rinse just connected. One of them's water, and one of them I've just put a little bit of dishwashing detergent into because I don't have any of the proper stuff, but it's pretty much dishwashing detergent, and then the other one's rinse additive. So I'm just using water and a little bit of what you'd use in the sink, just to cycle it, just to give you a demonstration. Comes with these things, so you've got an extra 2 of those rods, a screw-on thing, and another little nut we found up the top here. So that comes with it, plus the extra tray. So yeah, all right, let's give it a go. So last tagged and tested in 2000 and test date 25th of the 2nd 23. Next tag date, oh, they do it like a year later. So anyway, it's been tagged anyway, so it's right to go. I believe we have water. Let me just check water. Now we have water. Can't do anything without water. So I've got it just quickly plumbed up. As you can see, the water down the back there, so that way it's getting water. Alright, standby. See what it can do. Power button. W28, R25, so wash, and 25, 28. So it's filling it at the moment. It's not blinking, it's actually a solid purple yellowy type light. So what I'll do is I'll just do a cycle with it just to show everyone that, hey, it is working. Should we go and pause? Power off. Ooh, we've got water going all everywhere in there. So there's a good chance to see if there's any leaks or anything. I guess it's filling up the container as indicated by here, fill. Could be cleaned up a little bit more, such as a bit of a detail around the top there. Oh, we're on. So we've got 172 seconds left. This sticker could be peeled off too. So the idea behind this is to wash glasses, drinkware very quickly so that you can turn over and send them back out. And that's why I believe it has the rinse additive, so that when it comes out of this machine they're ready to be dried off. Well, not dried off, they should already be partly dried, but they're ready to just to be cooled down and reserved. So 180 seconds later, all your cutlery and all, not cutlery, but all your glassware is good. $130 seconds left to go. And then we're just going to have a look on the inside and see what's going on. I know you shouldn't, but let's have a little sticky peek of what's going on in there. I'll try the pause button. Ooh, we got some washing going on in there. Soap suds everywhere. That's pretty cool. I've even got the drain hooked up just to a bucket, as you can see over there, because I want to see what the output is and all that. So let's go back. Right, it says 180. So it looks like we're starting all over again. I'll let it do its full cycle. So this is quite an expensive dishwasher, glass washer. I believe it retails for about 10,000 plus. Being a commercial grade appliance, you can actually get parts for it. It'll be in service for a long time. This one is not too old. If you look at the serial number, I think you'll find it's only a couple of years old. And telling by the dirt in the corners and things like that, it's not actually that old. I've seen some which were being sold when I was looking up, you know, what's comparative to it, and some of them have been in service for 15, 20 years. They're just, you know, grimy. This one is quite clean. A little bit of grime here and there, as you can see in the just around the front there from dirty hands touching it. Nothing a toothbrush and a little bit of soap wouldn't fix. The top is quite good. The stainless is all good. You know, a little refuse from a little bit of leftover from a sticker. We're not seeing any leaks whatsoever. There's no leaks. It's going to be interesting to see what happens when it pushes out the thing, because I think there's about 20 something litres in there, so that bucket's going to get full very quickly. Is anything happening in there? Nope. And that's coffee water, because I was testing the coffee machine before this. I've just got it hooked up to the garden hose for now. You know, there are inline filters or whatnot. I think normal water's fine. I don't think you have to put a filter through it. Okay, 67, 65 seconds left, and we would have completed a full cycle. They give you 2 trays. I'm not sure if you can go one on top of the other. I'm not sure, or if there's dividers. I'm not sure, you'd have to look it up. It does look like it's got things stacked on there on the little LCD, but I'm not sure. We're just going through the moments to see how the machine operates. Okay. It hasn't used hardly any of the rinse additive there, but it definitely did suck some up, because there's all soap suds which were on the inside. 22 seconds now. We seem to be stopped at 22. I don't know why. Is it a wash cycle or so? On the instructions I did see a couple of minutes. That's why I was quite surprised that it said 180 and counting down. So somebody would know better than I would how many minutes exactly this will take. We just need it to do one more thing, and that's to empty itself out, and then we'll be complete. And I'll see if I can show you a few more of the settings. No leaks are present. That flexible cable, those silver ones, they're quite cheap. They're about $15 for a new one. I'd recommend replacing that on when it's being installed. The rest of the hoses look fine. But those braided ones, if they get a kink in them or during transport, they can often get damaged, and that's why it's worth replacing. 79 now, 80. Perhaps that's the temperature it's getting up to. Okay, we're down to 21, 20, 19, 18, 17. Oh, I can hear some action coming out the pump. Yep, it's filling up. Okay, 0, 0. Wow, we got steam, we got froth, we got everything. Okay, now I'm going to try another function. So I've gone through the menu here: light, medium, heavy, manual, drain. Let's try drain. It's got some water in the bottom there, steam coming out, and draining is in process. If you can see it going down the drain there, all that white foam. So yep, it is draining. It's even got a little countdown timer there as well. So what we're going to do is we're going to do a complete cycle. I've got some dirty glasses here. Once this finishes draining, we're going to do a complete cycle. I'm not going to touch it. I'm just going to let it do everything. And we've just got some dirty glasses here. So while that's doing that, let's check out our dirty glasses. All right, so we have this one. There's a little bit of remnants in there. You can see some fingerprints. This one here, you can see some fingerprints around there. And this one here, a little bit of iced tea left over there. Now keep in mind that I'm only using normal dishwashing detergent and a bit of water. There is no rinse aid, and we're not using the right detergent. We're just using normal dishwashing detergent, which is not the right stuff. I'm just putting it through the lines so that we're putting something through so that to show you everything is working as it should. Now these lids here, they come on the actual containers. So you open up your new chemicals, you put the straw in, you close it down, and away you go. They've got a little filter on the top there too, so you just plonk that in. So right now it's just emptying out. We're at 7 seconds, and we're going to see how that drain cycle goes. Some glasses in there. Actually, this is the wrong one. This is the right one. Pretty sure you can go two on top of each other. 1, 2, 3. Okay. So we had the towel thingy in the wrong spot. Okay. Standby mode. Power mode. Okay, and we don't want heavy, we just want light. Let's do a cycle. Okay, and that's it. Looks like the cycle has been completed. The water is still being drained out, as you can see over there. Water's still coming out. Now it's doing a fill. So we'll just let it do its cycle. Okay, we're going to do a full demonstration of this Washtech machine, under bench one. I've just done a quick little wash on them there, and they're looking pretty good actually. But just for argument's sake, we're going to do it again. So I've just loaded the dishwasher, so I can choose it's on standby, power on. So it's filling up. We can select, we'll just go 60, 60's less. You can select, actually I'll show you how to select. Okay. It's on standby. Okay, power up. Okay, light. Yep. Light, medium, heavy, manual, drain. We'll just go light. Okay. So we'll just let it do a full cycle. Okay, we are done. So that is what a DishTech UD Undercounter glass and dishwasher dishwashing machine looks like and does. That's what it sounds like, and this is the result. We're not using the correct soap, but it's still pretty good. I can hear it draining. Yep, it's draining down. Now you'd simply stack them, let them dry, and put in new ones, and repeat the cycle. Filling stop. We don't want to do another one. Can we change it? Light. Okay, drain mode. Pause. Medium. Fill. Drain. That wants to fill. Drain mode. We're just draining it out. Okay. Thanks for watching.